Hi, fashionista. In this next clip, it's about how to sew straight. A lot of us have that challenge where you want to sew something and it's crooked. You struggle with straight sewing. Um, I know I have taught it many times, but it's good to have a refresher. Okay, now this is the tip. You want to make sure that the side that you're sewing is straight in the first place. I'll teach you how to sew around a curve, but if you're sewing a straight line, let's say the edge of a seam, it has to be straight in the first place. If it's crooked or it's cut crooked, your line, no matter what you do, is going to be crooked as well. But you have to cut it straight. And a lot of times we use the selvage because the selvage is always straight. Hope you can see. This is the selvage here. So I'm going to make a seam allowance, just like a 3/8 or half an inch seam allowance. So I'm going to position this right on the edge of the okay. I'm positioning it right on the edge of the foot. Okay, this particular foot is 3/8 of an inch away from the needle, I think. Okay, yeah. So I keep it right next to the foot, and my eyes. That's the tip. Your eyes should not be looking at the needle. You should be looking at the edge of the fabric, and just keep sewing, keeping your eyes right on the edge, and you pull and check, and it gives you exactly the seam allowance you wanted. If, let's say, you wanted a bigger seam allowance, there are lines on your machine, and you use those lines to guide you. So we're doing another one. This line, I believe, is 5/8. Okay, or is it 3/4? No, can hardly see. Well, doesn't, I think it's 3/4. Okay, so the edge of my fabric is right on the 3/4 line, and I'm going to keep my eye right there and move the edge of the fabric on that line, so that at the end of the day I would have sewn exactly 3/4 of an inch. This is about 3/8 of an inch. This is 3/4 of an inch. Okay, so that's how you sew straight. Always keep your eye on the line and not on the needle. Thanks.